Millie Makes a New Friend. Written and illustrated by Erica Deary.
One afternoon at the park, Millie was playing on the swings.
Yay! Awesome! Hiya! Hiya!
Hiya! Hiya!
Then, a hedge in the park started moving.
Oh? What's that noise? Hello?
Asked Millie.
You're tickling me. Hello, puppy. What's your name? You're so cute. You're so cute. Come on, puppy. Come on.
Millie, home time. Let's go.
Millie didn't want to leave the puppy, but Mom said it was time to go back home.
Oh, sorry, little one. See you soon. So a puppy jumped from a bush and wanted to play with me. But then we had to come back home, and the puppy wanted to come back with me, but we couldn't because it was dinner time.
Oh, how cute.
I just wonder if the puppy is lost. I hope it's safe. Huh? Hooray! Hello, puppy. Let's take him home.
Great idea, Millie. Let's go.
Then, Mr. Raccoon said some magic words.
Abracadabra, alaka, flame. Let's take the puppy on a red aeroplane.
Jump on the plane, puppy. It's time to take off. 5. Four. 3. 2. 1. ¡Vamos!
They flew over the houses and the trees. They flew over the mountains and waved to the kangaroos. Suddenly, the puppy started barking and wagging his tail. He could see his house.
Hold on, guys,
said Millie as they landed between the carrots and the tomatoes. Bang! Crash! So much noise! The puppy jumped out of the plane and raced to his mom.
puppy. We're happy to help you get home. Hooray!
Hooray!
Millie and Mr. Raccoon helped the puppy find his way home. And they've also made a new friend. See you soon! If you enjoyed this story, why not grab the book? You can find it on your favorite online bookstore. Links below.